Alright, so let me walk over here where it's quiet. A little update for y'all. I haven't been filming because we've been in here for like 4 or 5 hours, and the bolts on the like the down pipes coming from the headers to the H pipe are literally like so seized up. We're trying to just cut them off, knock them out, but that ain't working. So we're waiting on the Sawzall, but yeah, we haven't got barely anything done. We're trying though. All right, guys, so my spirits are a little down. I'm a little hurt. We try to get the, so basically, let me explain it to you real quick. So you have your headers that come down, then you have what's called a down pipe, and then it connects to your H or X pipe. So it's just a filler. If you have long tubes, you don't have that, I'm pretty sure. So there's bolts that go from your header, the bottom of your header, to the down pipe. Well, when we tried to get those off, they were so locked on. We kept trying. One of them we stripped, and it was so stupid. I should have just stopped while I was ahead. But as every guy or car guy is, I mean, I was just stubborn. I wanted to get this shit done, and I should not have done that. But instead, I tried to do it myself. I thought I could do it. This is what's going on. It's a H pipe with cat deletes. Those are the down pipes right there. So basically, this right here connects to the bottom of your header. The bolt that's in it is so seized up that it broke the whole top of the bolt off, and one of them just absolutely stripped. Learned my lesson. I ain't gonna do it again. Maybe next time I'll be better prepared with some stuff that can get it unseized, or heating it up, or drilling it out, or whatever. But for now, we're going to take the old Ranger that you saw in the last video that was in here. We're going to take the Ranger home, and we're going to come back tomorrow and see what we can do. But I'm pretty sure we can't do anything about it. I ain't going to stress about it too much. I'm going to take it Wednesday, get it fixed, and we'll see what happens there. Alrighty. Good morning, guys. So it is very early in the morning, and I'm trying to catch up to my stepmom right now because we're on the way to the muffler shop. So those clips I just played was last weekend. No, that's 2 weekends ago. So that's the reason I haven't been uploading at all. Like, I really wanted to get at least 1 to 2 videos a week, which is what I'm still gonna try to do. But the car has been pretty much like down. Way to the muffler shop, we have the offered H pipe in this box behind us. We're getting a professional to do it because I'm not a professional. Okay, so just a little catch up real quick before we do the like exhaust and you hearing it and stuff. So I took it to the shop, and basically the dude just kind of like beat around the bush and said, oh, well, I can't do it. But after he told me he can, then he said he can't. So I was like, okay, that's whatever. Ignore this pimple right here. But so I was like, okay, that's whatever, you know. I'll do it myself. And I just asked him if he could put normal bolts in there because they were basically like tire studs. So that's why I couldn't get them. That's why we ended up messing the car up. That's a whole different story. That's whatever. So he said I can, and then he said I can't. And then he said he couldn't even put normal bolts in there because he knew what I was going to do to the car if he did that. And I was like, well, that's really none of your business. So then we went back and forth. He finally did it. So then I went to the shop. I didn't even want to film. I just wanted to get that shit over with because of how bad it was last time to do. It wasn't too bad this time. It took me about 4 hours. It really is not that big of a process. And if you have the right tools and you know what you're like what you're getting into before you start, anyone can do this. It's not that bad. But you have to have the right tools, and you have to know how to do everything and how to get to every bolt. I just got that on my video. All right, so the exhaust is done. I couldn't really film it because it was a lot. It took me like 4 hours, but I did finally get it done, and I did it myself this time. So last time was a fluke. I'm actually a pro mechanic. That's what y'all don't know. Mom is gonna drive the car because obviously I never get to hear it from the outside and from how everyone else hears it. I get to hear it from the inside. Apparently it's pretty loud, and apparently it echoes pretty good, so. Wow. From back here, it sounds insane. Okay, so she's gonna back out. All right, so she's just gonna go down the road, turn around, and then come back, and we'll hear it from there. Said I was a pro mechanic. I kind of lied. I do have a small exhaust leak on the like where the fittings go together. It's like a oval or like a ball thing that goes into the other one, so it's kind of hard to get it perfect, but. I can always adjust that. See, I never get to hear this angle. I hope y'all can hear that. What do you think about driving it?
It's got power.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's really not that loud driving it, is it?
No, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Could you hear it pretty good?
Yeah, I can hear it like crazy. And you weren't even like crazy on it, I can tell.
No. I mean, I can go back and redo it.
No, that's okay. That reverse is nice, isn't it? Having that little lockout. Yeah, I like that. But I think once I get that exhaust leak fixed, it'll sound a lot better too. Could you hear
really
it flapping a little bit?
No, it's not really.
I think I can just hear it because I listen for that type of stuff. But okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the new exhaust on the Mustang. Like I said, I'm gonna try my best to keep posting 1 or 2 videos a week. Don't go right with Betty all the time, so it's just one of them things. Sometimes I do stuff to Betty, some weeks I don't. We should be getting a tune. I'll probably get a Lund tune in about a week or 2, so that'll be another video. I'm thinking about going to a car meet tonight. I'm not 100% sure, so that'll be another video, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, if you liked, drop a like, comment down below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.